It's your Croons RC, and for today's video, bubuksan natin yung Butter CD. Set ulit siya, pero from the lucky draw sa power station specifically. And then, before that, ang bubuksan muna natin is yung Butter merch. So, I got one Butter merch. Same lang to nung binilhan ko ng BE merch. Ayan. So, ito siya. Isa lang tong binili ko kasi nabudol lang din ako ng mga papel. So, ito yung shop. This is their thank you card. Kita ba? Ayan, yung thank you card nila from Soul Shop. And then, I have, wow! Power station din yung design. Diba ganito yung theme nung sa power station? Ayan siya. Ang ganda ng PC, oh. Glossy siya. Ayan, nakalata naman eh. So, ito yung binili ko. Oopsie. Ayan. Tignan ko ano to. Damit ulit. Tapos, I believe, andito yung PC set na kasama doon. Andito yung PC set na kasama nung Cardigan. Si Daddy Jude! Ito siya. This will be very quick. Dito ako sa sala ngayon kasi tulog si tatay sa kwarto. Tingnan muna natin yung cardigan. Ayan. Lagi ako nabubudol ng damit, pansin ko lang. So, there's a logo. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Ayan. Logo, tas yung kabila. Ayan, ganito siya. This is so cute. Ayan siya. This is medium size. Ayan. Ito yung harap. You can see this. Butter. And then, the logo right here ng BTS, of course. Tapos meron siyang butones. Tanggalin natin sa butones. Hirap naman tanggalin. Ang laki ng butones. Ang cute ng butones niya. Merong ano. Tignan niya yung butones. May nakalagay na BTS. Okay lang naman itong sukatin, di ba? Ang laki niya sa akin, ah. Di ba, tanghaling tapat? Pag-init-init. Ayan. Actually, may klase pa ako, eh. Ayan. Ganito siya. O, diba? Ito yung logo niya. Tapos, yung photocard. Tan! So, we have Daddy June. Ito. Wow, ito yung likod. See that? We have Jin. Kurigo. Nagdikit-dikit sila. Yunggi. Si Busa. Si Sunshine. Oh, yellow hair. Si Ruby. Oh, Kurigo. So, si Jimin. Si Jimin muna ka. Bago si Tara. Wow, rainbow. Rainbow hair. Jimin shi. Kurigo. Torong. Wow! Si Torong. Ayan. Tapos, wait, si Cookie. Of course, si Cookie. Ayan siya. Purple haired Cookie. Lalaki itong PC. Lalaki ng PC, guys. Ito lang yung kamay ko. And they even call this mini PC. Pero mas malalaki siya sa regular PC talaga. Sa regular photo card, sa mga albums. Parang baliktad, no? Okay, so that's it. So let's move on na dun sa my power station set ng Butter CD. So, let's go. Hello everyone. So now I'm back. I'm just gonna, have a quick unboxing of this Butter set. Lucky draw. These are from, ano nga yun? Hala, anong station nga yun? Power station, ayun. So, I bought this from SPRINGBLISS PH. First time ko mag-order sa kanila and it's been a few weeks since nung dumating to sa bahay. So I got these freebies. Ang cute itong mga tickets na to. Yan. And then, here are the lucky draws. Yan. SPRINGBLISS yan. S-Bliss feedbacks. Okay. So, yun. Buksan natin ito mamaya. And then, ito na yung box. Pinabox ko siya and then tinanggal ko na sa bubble wrap para less time consuming. So, let's put the box right here. Here are the albums, as usual. So, let's do a quick unboxing. Let's go first sa Peaches version. So, I'm just gonna be quick. Nagbabalik ang ating mahiwagang gunting. Let's unwrap this. Really excited sa magiging pull ko. Let's take off the plastic na lang muna. On both CDs. Ayan. So we can have a smoother unboxing. Actually, I have classes na since September 20, so I have no time talaga para gumawa ng videos. Ingay nila sa labas. So, yup. Okay. So, you know naman na yung laman nito. Okay. That's one PC right there. This is the CD. Okay. PC. Then pop-up card. Reverse. QR code. Then this. Poca. The sticker. The lyrics. Then here are the pulls. Then of course, the photo book. This is gonna be really quick because I'm just skimming through the contents. Yeah. So that's another CD right there. Okay, gotta be careful. Baka lumabas yung photo cards. Hindi naman, nakabaliktad. Okay, so another QR code, another pala, the pulls. This is the pop-up, which I really like. Here is the lyrics and then another sticker. Yan. Then of course the photo book. Wow. Okay, so this is actually my impulsive buying. So I got Suga from the message card. Let's check it out. Yes, picture. Oh, he's so cute. I remember yung nakuha ko sa message card sa unang unboxing, si Hobie and then si Torong. So I got Suga. Wala pa namang duplicate so far. So this is a duplicate. I already got him. Oh my god. Mahal ako ni Hobie. Yan. So I got Hobie message card. Yan. And then, oh my god. Napull ko din si Suga, diba? Oh my god, wait lang. Duplicate ba siya? I can't remember exactly. Maybe I'll check it later. So, I got Suga. And then, oh my god, Jin. I also got Jin on the first set. Oh my god. So, my last chance is here. I hope I could pull, Torong from Butter Era. Though, I don't really expect naman. I hope no. Okay, so here is the thank you card from the shop. Okay, so first, we have... Oh my god, Jimin! Oh my god! I got Jimin! Oh my god! Jimin shit! Okay, so we have Jimin. Ang hindi na lang natin napupulo sa Butter Era, si Jungkook. Though, meron naman ako ditong freebie. From the shop. Okay. Kinakabahan ako. Sino ka? Oh my god, Jungkook! Oh my god! Ay, no, sorry. Nagalaw yung camera. Oh my god! I got Jungkook. Oh my god! Hello, wait lang. Kapag nakuha ko si Torong, I got the Makni line. Wait lang. Wait! Ah, Hobie! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ang cute ni Hobie. Oh my god! Tingnan yung buhok niya. Pero, yung hindi natin na-pull sa unang batch ng Butter City, nakuha natin sa Lucky Draw. Oh my god, I love this. Wala si Torong, pero na-pull din naman natin si Torong, di ba? Sa film strip and then sa message card. Then I have this extra memory card from Hobie. Pero, Dude, I got these 3. Lucky draws. Ang swerte ko! Oh my god! I got Jimin, Hobie, and then Cookie. So, nakompleto ko yung 7. Oh my god! May napala din pala yung impulsive buying ko. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Pinauwi mo yung 2 kulang sa ano. Talagang kinumpleto ko sila, no? So, yun. I hope you enjoyed watching this very quick unboxing. Hindi ko na siya talaga tinagalan kasi I'm so tired. Kakatapos lang ng klase ko and yep. So, yun. I'm so happy with this 3. And of course, yung Gi. I think, yung isang version niya na pull ko kay Hobie. Ay, kay Hobie, kay Suga, kay Pusa. And then the other... Wait lang, let me check. See? Oh, I got a duplicate. I got a duplicate from Jin. Oh my god, I got duplicate Jin. Inuwian ako ni Jin na bonggang-bongga. Ayan. And here he is. Ayan. So, as for Jin, I think I'm gonna have to train na lang sa Twitter. Ayan, cute-cute na yung Jin. Nakompleto ko yung... Oh! Nakompleto ko yung ano niya. Ay, hindi! This is a freebie. Weaver's freebie. So, napull ko siya. And then, this is from the peaches or cream version. Ayan. So, I got 2. Bakit ba Hobie? Soap supremacy kasi. So, yun. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And, yep. So, see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo lagi. Love lots.